Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am participating in the July postcard play hosted by Carrie the Crafter. And I did it yesterday and I really had a good time. So I have got my background ready. Jelly print, we have to use jelly print. Now this is more of my wipe off sheet from my jelly print play. So we're just going to use that. So I have got my pieces that I want to use. Oh, and be sure and check out Carrie the Crafter's channel. I have it listed in my description box down below. And check out the hashtag GelyPostcardPlay in the, July Postcard Play. And it's spelled Jely, which is why I keep saying jelly. But it's July Postcard Play. And to see what everyone else has made. I want to catch up. I didn't get a chance to look at anybody's yesterday, but I will today. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, I have got some vellum pieces. They're not stickers, but I want to put those down first. So, I'm just going to use my matte medium to do those. But I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. I certainly can't complain. And get this down. And it wants to curl. I may have to use my art glitter glue. And I'm just going to go over the top. See if that'll help. Run that over. Wipe off my brayer. And I have this frame and this hawk, and I'm going to trim that down. First of all, I'm just going to glue around the edge here. So I can get my hawk on there well. Doesn't it look regal? Okay, now let me just trim that off. I'm going to kind of go up underneath it a little bit. Well, I thought I was anyway. Okay. How handsome he is. So now I am just gonna get him on. Cute. All right. Now, I've got this piece of vellum. I'm thinking I want to go like this. And here's my number 2 for the requirement. And I want to put this on, and I probably should have put this up underneath, but I didn't. So I'm just going to put this like that. And I'm just going to add, and I've already inked around all my pieces. And I'm just going to add that down here. And I think I'm just going to put that one there. Now I want to put down my number 2. I'd like it tilted. And I can put that down. This gives me a chance to use some of these pieces that I've never used before, because I don't think I've used my vellum pieces. I got them for Christmas. Okay. And I've got this little bird, and I want him to be looking up in awe at his hero. Okay. See if I can get that flat. And I am going to now trim that off. Put it there, or maybe there. I think I like it better down here. So let me get that on, and I can trim this part off. Oh, let me. Alright, I really like how that looks. So let me get this dry and get it ready, and I'll be back. Okay, it's about as dry as it's going to get right now. It's a little tacky, and I'm thinking I may just start using art glitter glue to get my pieces down, and then put my matte medium over the top, because it's just, I'm struggling. My pieces kept coming up. It's warping my paper. So I'm just going to, I think on my next one, I'm just going to try something different. Now, I do want to go around that. First, I want to do the corners, because I like the way that looks. I love to collage, and I wanted to do the Junk Journal July, but I just couldn't do both. I seriously thought about it, but I didn't even have my journal made, and because I wasn't feeling well last week. But collaging is what I really love the most. So I think I chose the right challenge to do. Okay, and today I'm going to do one of the things I love to do. And that is, excuse my reach, I love to do splatters. So I'm just gonna get my watercolors activated. And just do a few splatters. Let me see here. Cute. And I may just want to go around this bird, help him to pop out a little bit, and to give him a little grounding here. Okay. And I think this is appropriate. Let me just kind of, I don't know if it'll make a difference. I just don't want that white to show. This is Use Your Wings. And so here's today's. I hope you like this. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Carrie's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag GelyPostcardPlay. It's listed in my description box, so all you have to do is click on it. So y'all take care. I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.